Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. I am Mr Oyjed Ali and I welcome you all in today's mathematics class. As you all know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. And so it is we are here to take your online class on mathematics. Okay, boys. Before starting, I reminding you that the world is undergoing the serious critical virus COVID-19. You should maintain the social decorum which are we have to follow because the prevention of COVID-19. Okay, wash your hands frequently, avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. And most important is stay home and you don't go outside. Okay, now boys, from this picture you can what what we learned today, you can say that is it is a equation, simple equation. Here x is a variable, it is 5 constant coefficient of this variable, and here 7 is constant, and root 7 is another constant, root 2 is another constant, and here it is a left hand side, it is right hand side, and both and a equation, and this is called the terms. So boys, our today's topic is chapter 7, simple equations. So it is the simple equations. Now we're going to the learning outcome. After the lesson, you will be able to explain simple equations, apply laws of equations, solve simple equation problems. And simple equation, the mathematical sentence associated with with variable operational sign like plus, minus, and equality sign is called equation. Moreover, equations having degree 1, that means the variables else degree is 1. The variables are called simple equation. The simple equation have one or more variables such as x plus 3 equal to 7, to y minus 1 equal to y plus 3, and 3z minus 5 equal to 0. These are the simple equations. Okay, in these three equations, we can see this three equation there. The first equation is x variable is degree 1. Second variable is y variable, its degree is also 1. And third equation z, its degree also 1. Axioms. If the same quantity is added to each of equal quantities, their sum will be equal to one another. If we add same number on both sides, then it is okay. And in the second axioms also told that if we subtract same number from the both side of equation, then there will be no change. And third axiom says if we multiplied same number with same quantity with both sides of an equation, there will be no change of the equality. And last, if we divide non-zero quantity, their quotient will be same the previous. Okay, boys. Now laws of equations. Transposition law. If any term of any equation is transposed directly from one side to another side by changing its sign, this transposition is called the transposition law. That means if we transfer terms from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side. Cancellation law. Okay, cancellation law. Cancellation law for addition. Similar terms with same sign directly be cancelled from both sides of equation. This law is called cancellation law or law addition or subtraction. That means we can eliminate same value from the both sides. Cancellation law for multiplication. Common factors can be cancelled directly from both sides by of any equation. This is called cancellation law for multiplication. Numerator of left hand side into denominator of right hand side equal to denominator of left hand side into numerator of the right hand side. This is called the cross multiplication. And law of symmetry. All terms of left hand side can be transposed to right hand side, and all terms of right hand side can be transposed to the right hand side simultaneously without changing the sign of any term of the side. This is called the law of symmetry. Boys, these four laws we have to understood and we have to memorize, and lastly we apply these four laws. Okay, boys, now we go to solve some problems. Now, problem one is solve and verify the correctness. 4y minus 5 equal to 2y minus 1. Here, 4y minus 5 equal to 2y minus 1. That means we can transpose the variable one side and the constant term another side. So we transform this 5 minus 5 through this side. Here 5 is negative sign, so if we transfer 5 in right hand side, then 5 will, the sign of 5 is will be positive. And y, 2y left, from left right hand side to left hand side, the sign will be changed. That means here positive 2y, it is minus 2y. That is 4y minus 2y equal to minus 1 plus 5. 4y minus 2y equal to 2y, and minus 1 plus 4, 5 equal to 4. That means 2y equal to 2 into 2, y equal to 2. Cancellation, the common factor was cancellation law. This is solution is y equal to 2. Now we verify. Putting the value 2 of y in the given equation. Left hand side equal to 4y minus 5 equal to 4 into 2 minus 5, that is 8 minus 5 equal to 3. And right hand side 2y minus 1 equal to 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. That is left hand side equal to right hand side. So solution of this equation is correct. So we verify our solution. So okay, boys, so if in any question the solution and verify, then you have to follow these steps. First find out the solution, and last second you have to verify the solution, putting the value in both left hand side and right hand side. Okay, now another problem. Solve 2z by 3 minus z by 6 equal to minus 3 by 4. So boys, we don't have to transpose in this equation. So here the variable is one side and the constant is other side. So 4z, we can just now we just taking the LCM of these two fractions, that is 3 and 6. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So taking denominator 6, and now the quotient of this first fraction is 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 into 2z, that is 4z minus z equal to minus 3 by 4. So we can get the 4z minus z equal to 3z divided by 6 equal to minus 3 by 4. That is z by 2 equal to minus 3 by 4. Now after cross multiplication, that is 4 into z equal to 2 into minus 3. Cross multiplication you can get, that is 4, we can write 2 into 2z, and 2 into minus 3 we can write 2 into minus 3, that is 2z equal to minus 3. 2 and 2 will be common factor cancellation from both sides. Now we can write the 2z by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2, that is z equal to minus 3 by 2. So our solution is z equal to minus 3 by 2, or we can write from this equation z equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Also you can write that. Okay boys, now the next question. Next problem is solve 2 into 5 plus x equal to 16. So we just multiply 2 into 5, that is 2 into 5 is 10, and 2 into x is 2x equal to 16. Now we transpose the constant term in right hand side, that is 2x equal to 16 minus 10, that is 2x equal to 6. Now we divide. Now we can write 3 as 2 into 3 and cancel 2 factor 2 from both side, that is 2x divided by 2 equal to 6 divided by 2 equal to x equal to 3. So our solution is x equal to 3. And another problem. So boys, you focus. This is another typical problem. So 3x plus 7 divided by 4 plus 5x minus 4 divided by 7 equal to x plus 3 and 3 of half. So it is mixed fraction. We can write this is as uh, uh, this is as 7 by 2. So okay, so 3x and LCM of these two fraction is, and now x through left hand side, that is 3x plus 7 by 4 plus 5x minus 4 by 7 minus x equal to 7 by 2, that is, and taking LCM of these two, 4 and 7, that is 28, and after LCM common fraction, that is 7 into 3x plus 7 minus 4 into 5x minus 4 and 28 into x, and after this right hand side will be same, and left hand side 27 into 3 21x plus 7 to 7 49 plus minus plus here sign is, sorry, here sign is be plus. Okay, so 4 into 5 is 20x minus 4 into 4, that is 16, minus 20x 28x, and after simplifying, that is we get 13x plus 33 divided by 28 equal to 7 by 2, and taking cross multiplicating, taking 28 multiplying both sides, that we get 13x plus 33 equal to 98, that is 13x equal to 98 minus 3 33, that is 13x equal to 65, and taking 13 divide from both sides, we get 13x divided by 13 equal to 65 divided by 13, that is x equal to 5. So our solution is x equal to 5. Now another problem, that is solve y minus 2 divided by 4 plus 2y minus 1 divided by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 3. So taking a similarly, we can take both sides of both sides, yeah, what, both side the variable, and taking LCM left hand side and right hand side, then we can write the 3 into y minus 2 plus 4 into 2y minus 1, that is our LCM is 12, so 4 into 3 is 12, so this is quotient 3, and here quotient of second entire fraction is 4, so that is 3 into y minus 2 plus 4 into 2y minus 1 equal to 3y, so here 3y minus 1 into 3, and now 3y, here 3 into y, 3y minus 6 plus 8y minus 4 divided by 12 equal to 3y minus 1 by 3, and now after simplifying, we can write that 3y plus 8y 11y minus 10 by 12 equal to 3y minus 1 divided by 3. So that is, after cross multiplication, 3 into 11y minus 10 equal to 12 into 3y minus 1, and 3 into 11y 33y minus 30 equal to 3 into 3 12 into 3y, that is 36y minus 1 to 12, that is minus 12, and after transposing, that is variable in left hand side and constant is right hand side, you can write 33y minus 36 y equal to 30 minus 12, that is minus 3y equal to 18, so y equal to 18 divided by minus 3, you can write easily that, uh, and y equal to minus 6. Okay, our solution is y equal to 6. So guys, that's the problems we solve here in this class, and you should solve your problems, solve your all problems of 7.1, and I give you some some homework to solve of x plus 1 by 2 minus x minus 2 by 3 minus x minus 3 by 5 equal to 2, and number 2, solve x by 3 plus 5 equal to x by 2 plus 1, sorry, x by 2 plus 7, and lastly solve 7 into 3 minus 2y plus 5 into y minus 1 equal to 34. And before concluding my class, again I reminding that the world is going through the critical COVID-19 virus. So you should cautious about this virus and maintain and the social prevention rules like you avoid the mass gatherings and avoid going out. It is unnecessary. It is it's done. It stay safe, stay fine, stay home. Allah Hafiz.